You are going to love the 2016 Altima. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.5-liter engine, and comes with a continuously variable transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: brake assist, traction control, stability control, engine immobilizer, remote trunk release, steel wheels, tire pressure monitor, tires front all season, tires rear all season, driver illuminated vanity mirror. Inside you'll find backup camera, keyless entry, auxiliary audio input, keyless start, steering wheel audio controls, security system, MP3 player, cruise control, trip computer, child safety locks. Come see the car for yourself.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.